Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhilash Sinari. So today we will do some problems based on double angles. Okay, before that we'll write some formulas of double angles. Cos 2x is, and we derive it, we get it as cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, this is the formula. When we substitute x plus x c in place of this formula, cos of x plus y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. In this, in place of y, if we put x, then we get 2x here, and here it will be cos x into cos x, which is cos square x, and sin x into sin x, which is sin square x. So like this that formula came, and this can be simplified as 2 cos square x minus 1. If we use trigonometric identity here, that is cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, and sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. From there I can choose sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, this. So sin square x I can write as 1 minus cos square x, and this I can substitute here and simplify and get this. Similarly, if I substitute cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, we get one more formula here. Okay, 2 sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and if we write sin square x plus cos square x in the denominator in place of 1 and then divide by cos square x, we can see in the previous video how we derived that. So we get 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. These are the formulas for cos 2x. Similarly, sin 2x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. This is one of the formula. And one more formula for this we have is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Similarly, tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. So how these are derived, you can see in the previous video. Okay, now we'll do 2-3 problems based on this. Okay, first one. Cos 4x. You have to prove this. Okay, prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Let's see how to prove this. Okay, 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Okay, so now first I'll take LHS as cos 4x. Now cos 4x we can write it as cos of 2 of 2x, correct? 4 we can write as 2 into 2, so we can write this as cos 2 of 2x. Now if we see properly, this becomes cos 2 of some angle. Okay, cos 2 of some angle, so we can write it as either this or this. Okay, cos 2 of some angle, so we can write this or this. So look at the answer, it is 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So looking at this, I think this is better. Okay, for cos 2x, that is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So how we'll write, let's see. So 1 minus 2 cos 2 of 2x is there, so sin square of 2x will write. Okay, imagine this is theta, so cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, like that it is. Okay, so we get 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Now we can write this sin square 2x like this, 2 sin 2x the whole square, correct? Sin 2x the whole square. Next step, just simplify this, sin 2x the whole square. Sin 2x we can use this formula obviously. Okay, sin 2x is there, so we'll use this formula. So what we'll get, 1 minus 2 sin 2x the whole square, that is 2 sin x cos x the whole square. Now just simplify and you will get this answer. What will get? 1 minus 2 into 2 square which is 4, 2 square which is 4, sin x square, so sin square x, and cos x square, so cos square x. 4 to the 8, so 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x, which is equal to RHS. So we have proved here. So we solve it this way. One more problem we'll do based on this. Second, tan 4x. Okay, tan 4x is 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x minus tan raised to 4x. Okay, 4 tan x into 1 minus 6 tan square x plus, okay, this is plus here. Okay, so let's prove this. First of all, LHS will write as tan 4x, correct? Now again, as we did for previous problem, what we did, we wrote this as it was cos 2x there, correct? There that we wrote as 2 of 2x. Cos of 4x we wrote it as 2 of 2x. Same way here we'll write tan of 4x is tan of 2 of 2x, correct? Next, simplify. Tan 2 of 2x is what? 2 tan x, okay, this formula. Tan 2 of x is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. So 2 tan x, sorry, here it is 1 minus, okay, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. This is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay, how this came? Tan of x plus x. Okay, tan x plus tan x, tan of x plus y. Tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Correct? Tan of x plus y formula. So tan x plus tan x is 2 tan x, 1 minus tan square x. Correct? This is 1 minus tan square x. Okay. So 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So we get like this 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. Now if we see properly, we have tan 2x here at the top numerator and even down we have tan 2x here, correct? 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan 2x the whole square. Now again we can substitute in place of tan 2x, I can substitute this. Tan 2x is there now, so I can substitute this directly. So what we get? 2 tan 2x is again 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x upon denominator 1 minus tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay. So this we get. Now we can simplify this. Just simplify till you get this answer. Nothing more is left now here. Okay. So how we simplify this? Okay, let's see. I'll rub this. Okay. You see the formula there. I'll rub here. So 2 into 2 is 4 upon 4 into tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and in the denominator 1 minus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This you can cross multiply. 1 minus tan square x into 1 is 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan x upon, okay, sorry, here there is square, correct? Didn't put that square. Okay, so square that first. What will get? This is 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, okay, upon, so 1 minus 2 tan x we can write as 4 tan square x, correct? Why? 2 square is 4 and tan x square is tan square x, and denominator 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Okay, we'll not square this, we'll simplify this and then square this. Okay, so now simplify this. Numerator 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and the denominator 1 minus 4 tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this I can cross multiply this with this, so 1 minus tan square x whole square, okay, upon again 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Now just simplify this. I can cancel this and one of this, okay, and I can take this up, correct? I can this goes in the numerator and this goes here. So what we get? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon this 1 minus tan square x the whole square minus 4 tan square x. So that we can simplify. 1 minus tan square x, a square, that is 1 square 1 minus 2ab. So minus 2 into a is 1 and b is tan square x plus b square, which is tan raised to 4x, correct? Then minus 4 tan square x. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus 2 tan square. Now simplify this and you will get that answer. Okay, what do you get? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x, which is equal to RHS, correct? So hence we have proved this. Okay, so one more we'll prove and then we'll stop. Okay, just 3 problems I'll do. Okay, next, last one. I'll just pour ink in this. Okay, so last one, third question. Okay, so the question is like this: cos 6x is equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So let's see. Okay, again for cos 2x, let's see how many formulas are there. Cos 2x, cos 2x we have cos square x minus sin square x. You can see how it is derived in the previous class. 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and fourth one is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So these are the 4 formula for cos 2x. So out of this, which is the best if you look at RHS? Obviously this. Okay, so we'll use that. So LHS, right, first LHS is equal to cos 6x. LHS is equal to cos 6x. Now cos 6x we can write as cos of, okay, we'll use this formula. Okay, for that what I'll do, I'll write like this: 2 of 3x, correct? Now we can use that formula, no? 2 of 3x, 2 into 3 is 6, so 2 of 3x. Now we can use this formula. You can either do this or you can use triple angle formula also. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, so cos 2 of 3x is what? If you substitute here, you'll get 2 cos square 3x minus 1, correct? Cos 2 of 3x is 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Now we have to remember the formula for triple angles also. What is the formula for triple angle? Cos 3x. This also we have derived in the previous class. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is a triple angle. Similarly, we have triple angle for sine. sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, like this. Similarly, we have formula for tan 3x. Okay, this we have derived. Okay, 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So these are all the formulas which we have derived in the previous class, out of which this is best here, correct? So we'll use that. So 2 cos square 3x. So cos 3x the whole square we can write, correct? Cos 3x the whole square minus 1. Now just simplify this until we get 2 cos 3x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x the whole square minus 1. Now just simplify this, you'll get the answer. 2 a square minus 2ab plus b square. That formula we can use here. A minus b the whole square. So a square, which is 4 cos cube x the whole square minus 2ab. So 4 cos cube x into b is 3 cos x plus b square. 3 cos x the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 1. Okay. Now just simplify this. Let's see what we get. 2 into 4 square is 16 cos raised to 6x. Understood? No, 4 into 2. 4 raised to 2. 4 square is 16 cos cube x raised to 2. So cos raised to 6. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2 4 the 8. 8 3 the 24. 24 3 and 1. So 4x. Cos raised to 4x. So these properties you should know. You need to know a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to mn, and a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, these properties we should know. For example, here when I did this, I multiplied this. See, 3 square is 3 into 2, it's 6, and here I have added this. 3 plus 1 is 4. Because of those properties. Okay, then 3 square is 9 and cos square x, and then minus 1. Okay, now simplify this. Let's see what we get. 2 16 to the 32 cos raised to 6x, then 24 to the 48. So 48 cos raised to 4x plus 9 to the 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay, 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1, which is equal to RHS. So we have proved this. You can prove this other way around also. In place of cos 2 of 3x, you can write cos 3 of 2x. Okay, like this. I'll drop this. So let's check other way around. If we take cos 3 of 2x, let's see what happens. In place of cos 2 of 3x, I will take cos 3 of 2x. Okay, then simplify cos 3 of 2x. So if I take like this, cos 3 of 2x, what will I get? I have to write like this. Okay, cos 3 of 2x. So 4 cos cube 2x, correct? Minus 3 cos 2x. So 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. Now 4 cos cube 2x. So 4 cos 2x the whole cube minus 3 cos 2x. Okay, now I can substitute. In place of cos 2x, I can take, better we'll take this only. Okay, so 4 cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so 4 cos 2x cube is 2 cos square x minus 1 the whole cube, and cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Now simplify. 4 a cube a minus b the whole cube. Okay, this becomes a minus b the whole cube, which is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube. Correct? A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So 2 cos square x the whole cube minus 3a square b, so 2 cos square x into 1 plus 3ab square, okay, here square, 2 cos square x the whole square into 1 plus 3ab square, so 2 cos square x into 1 square plus b cube minus b cube, sorry, minus 1 cube. This is there minus that term, okay, minus that term, minus 3 cos square x, 3 to the 6 cos square x, and minus into minus plus 3, okay. Now simplify this. 4 into 2 cos square x the whole cube, so 2 cube is 8 cos square x cube, so cos raised to 6x, correct, minus 3 into 2 cos raised to 4x, so 2 square is 4, okay, 2 square is 4, 4 3 the 12, correct, 2 square is 4, 4 3 the 12 cos raised to 4x minus, sorry, here plus, what do you get, 3 into 2, 6 cos square x, okay, minus 1, and after that we have that cos square x, minus 6 cos square x plus 3, okay. Now I'll put this 4 inside the bracket, so what do we get, let's see, 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 24 cos square x minus 4 minus 6 cos square x plus 3, okay. Now if I cancel this with this, so 24 minus 6 is 18 and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, so what will get, 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 24 minus 6 is 18 cos square x minus 1. So again it is RHS, so the, you know, this way or that way, same thing, okay. So I'll rub this, same thing we get, okay. So we'll stop here, and in the next class we'll do double angles and triple angles we have did. So next we'll do factorization and defactorization formulae, and then problem based on those, and after that we'll do graphs, okay, and then trigonometry equations. So maybe 3-4 more videos now, let's see, 4 to 5 videos, okay. So thank you and have a nice day.